MT Kits design here. We're super excited. I'm alongside AT Print. He's actually recording me right now. We just got the MT 1501 embroidery machine. We are super excited. It just arrived. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what's inside the box. Stay tuned.
Alright, so now what we're going to be doing is go ahead and unbox some of the stuff that the Ricoma machine brought. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. You want to tell what is that?
So in this box, we just got 3 samples of some caps, some blanks. It came with the name of the company. It's called Odo. It also has the prices for each blank. It's pretty cool because they, we bought the machine and it comes with blanks for us to practice. So I think that's a plus as well. We got 3 colors. We got the gray, dark gray. We have the khaki color, and then we also have the blue.
And it also came with a catalog book. Check it out right here. This is a 2021, so it came with that. Alright, what else we got over here? So I guess we got some threads, right?
Yeah, this is some Madeira thread. It has this big cone right here of royal blue. I'm pretty sure this is the thread that we're going to be sticking with for our 15 needle embroidery machine. It comes with some manuals and instructions. So we have to look at this a little bit later on. And then it brought some other samples. This is the Poly Neon here by Madeira. We got some awesome colors in there, as you guys can see, and then we have some more. This is also the Poly Neon 40. I'm guessing it's 40 weight. And then we have some other awesome looking colors here.
Alright, so now we also have over here a big box. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe if I bring it over here. But it seems like this has some hoops.
Oh, this is...
Check some hoops right there.
This came with a lot of hoops, which is pretty cool.
I don't know if this the stand, like the one you hook it up to hoop your hats. I'm not sure if this is the one, because I know I have probably 2 of those.
Yeah, we have to read the manual a little bit later and figure out what's what, but we're guessing that this is for the hats.
Yeah, we got more hoops over here.
Different size hoops. Again, we're just getting everything fresh out of the box, so we don't know the measurements, but maybe in another video we can go ahead and tell you guys what's what.
Got more hoops.
Bigger hoops. These are gonna come handy dandy. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm sorry to interrupt this process real quick. This is a major upgrade for me because I started my embroidery business with the PE 800. So I went from PE 800 to the MT 1501. So this is a huge upgrade, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to learn and to show you guys and take you along our journey.
Yes. So again, we don't know the measurements, but this is huge.
That is huge.
So we got 2 of those. We got some wires, internet cable. Don't know what this is. We got the wheels. And we have the toolkit. This is to assemble the stand. And that's pretty much what we got. Oh, we also have over here this big giant table. But I guess this is optional. I won't be using this because, again, I have a small space right here. So
maybe in the future.
Yeah. So that's that to it. So now what we're gonna be doing is go ahead and assemble the stand.
Alright guys, so the machine is finally set up and this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Alright guys, so this is the end for the video for today. I hope that you guys like this video, that you enjoy. We're gonna definitely be putting out some content using the Ricoma MT 1501. Before you leave, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and you ring the bell for notifications. See you in the next one. Bye!